All right, I have the new indicator out for members of our awesome trading community. It's called the Ultimate GANN Pattern Detector with advanced filters. So basically, as you can see here, you can select only signals at the daily, which, it's going to limit your signals. You can do 4-hour, and that's going to give you 4-hour signals. And if you want to be a hyper scalper, you can use the 1-hour. As you can see, I have this even on the 1 second. So you can change it to 1 hour, and you can see how, the reason why it's only as one, because I have a lot of filters on. So I just have it on 1 second, just because I'm testing it. So as you can see, a lot of good signals there. And then as you go down to the settings, you can change the price proximity, and then you can change, how many candles between signals. So, the more you can increase that, and then that will increase signals, or you can decrease it, and that will decrease signals. As you can see here, you can change the size of the labels. Again, if you use the trend filters, this will decrease or increase the filters you have. And we have a lot of cool things as we go down. The VWAP, and we have you can show the VWAP lines. So anyway, so we do a MACD, so you can change the MACD if you like to. So you can see here we have the true range if you'd like. I think it's on 0 right now. We have a volume filter, so we have advanced selection. So as you can see, that will change the filters you see, or the signals you see, sorry. We do have a market structure filter and order flow. So you basically can change the settings based on what you want to see. We do a volume, and we have structure analysis look back. We have the delta length. Actually, I need to remove that because I don't really do fair value gaps with this. But anyway, that's why this is sort of in beta. We do have, of course, RSI for those that like RSI, and we do have the cycle projections as the last one. So anyway, a lot of cool features with this thing. Again, this is like on the 1 second, and you can see going back. This is a 1 minute chart. You can see even today on a 1 minute chart, not too bad. So 5 o'clock in the morning, got some wins there. That's probably a loss there. Nice win there. That would probably be a loss. But overall, it's keeping you in the trend. It does fight this one, but again, you can remove the on a 1 minute chart, right? And you can obviously find ways to either not take that because you're below the VWAP. So maybe you just disregard any signals that are below the VWAP. And you can see it's a nice signal here, nice signal there. But then, of course, you get this nice bounce off. What we also put on here just to help members is we have our weekly chain compass. So price bounced right off this weekly level, and you can see, look at these nice signals here. I mean, you do get this one that doesn't work, but again, I haven't even really optimized it. And really, as we all know, it really should be on like a 5 minute chart. And again, I haven't tested it, other things here, so but overall you can see it's doing a pretty good job, even overnight, capturing a lot of wins here. Oh, I'm sorry, geez, this is yesterday. Sorry. So yeah, today did a good job. I mean, look at this, all wins, and then overnight, right? Well, not overnight. I guess London really had you sell all the way down, and then I caught this one, and anyway, that was probably a loss, or well, let's see. Let's actually check it out. Let's see. Starting off, you could have scalped a little bit there. Big, nice one there. If you go back to just default, kind of just show you what it looks like. Just so default, without doing anything, has some nice wins for you, just on default. And that's just, and then as you optimize it, you can get some really good signals. Obviously, when you adapt it with GANN, you can obviously filter out some false signals. But anyway, it looks pretty clean overall. I'm really excited about it to share it with everybody. So anyway, I will be on tomorrow, and we'll be testing it out. Take care.